starting with feeling.
Okay.
This is Expert Perspective by Martin Gobot Company. It's daily, so subscribe if you like it. We're not scared of you, so comment if you have something to say. We like you. Are you a liker? Like this episode if you like it and you're a liker.
Welcome.
Branding. I wish I didn't say this for last, but maybe it's better because I could talk forever about it. I just wish I had the starting flow energy, but branding is the entire experience from whenever someone hears about your brand to whenever they're inside your restaurant swallowing broccolini. So branding is not just the logo, it's not just the name, it is how people feel about your brand, how people feel about Pepsi, how people feel about Pecky Interiors, how people feel about Casey's Seafood, how they feel about being there, how they feel about even planning with their friends to go eat somewhere, how they feel about renting the video from your video store. It's everything that has and then brand how it's your about the way you do business, knowing more aspects of your business. But how
Martin's glued coins onto snail mail brochures and managed $250,000 marketing budgets for small businesses. From citrus sellers to surgery centers. He pulls no punches on our website or any of our content when bragging about how to do what we do well. Follow, like, subscribe, or do whatever, wherever you want. We have a podcast, Alexa Flash Briefings, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. And if you decide to partner with us, you know you'll get to relax since we've got that 100% 5-star review and success rate over all the years we've been around. What are you saying there? Martin's glued coins in a snail mail brochure? What does that mean?